Ever wonder what's actually happening in your body during a massage? This isn't just a feel-good explainer, it's a look at the real science behind why touch relaxes you, lifts your mood, and leaves you feeling calm and grounded. Across 9 short chapters, this ebook walks through the physiology and psychology of touch, the specialized nerve fibers in your skin built for connection, the hormones massage releases, and why your nervous system responds to it the way it does. What's inside? How your skin's nerve receptors are built specifically to detect the kind of touch used in massage: oxytocin, cortisol, endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine. What each one actually does during a massage, how massage shifts your nervous system from fight or flight into rest and digest, touch hunger, the real, researched phenomenon of touch deprivation in modern life, simple, practical ways to bring more intentional touch into your daily routine. Why it's different. Written from an actual massage therapy background, not generic wellness blog content, this guide treats the science seriously while staying easy to read in one sitting. Format: PDF ebook, 13 pages. Read on any device. License: for personal use. Not for resale or redistribution.